Hi, this is Amanda from Map Dynamics, and today I'm going to show you how to use the map editor. You're going to click this green Edit Map Layout button, and it'll take you to the map editor. Here you can add booths, delete booths, move them, change the size, rotate them, give them a booth type, give them a number, give them a title. You can assign exhibitors to the booths here. First, I'm going to show you how to add a booth. So here you can see that you can add either a 10 by 10 block or a 20 by 20 block. And that's just kind of the sizes to start. So you can add a 10 by 10 block, click and drag to move it. And then once you have it in place, you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard to get it where you want it. You can also change the size. Let me zoom in here so you can see it a little better. You can change the size either by dragging these corners or over here on the left. So I could give it a height of 20 feet and a width of 10 feet and then click update. And now, using my arrow keys again, I'm going to move it up. So now it's 20 feet tall and 10 feet wide. If I want to split the booth, for example, like if I wanted to add two 10 by 10 booths, I would do that here under split. So there's still going to be one column, but there's going to be two rows of booths. So I'll choose two, and then I'll click split. And now I have two 10 by 10 booths that I made out of that one 20 by 10 booth. To rotate a booth, you can either select it and then drag this little handle here to rotate it, or you can go over here on the left under this rotate feature and choose how many degrees you'd like to rotate it. It's now rotated at 45 degrees. To delete a booth, simply select it and either click this delete booth button down here on the bottom or just hit delete on your keyboard and it deletes the booth. You can also move any booths that are already here or resize them the exact same way as you would. If you mess up, you're like, oops, I don't want to make it that big. You can click this undo here at the top and it'll go back to your 10 by 10 booth, how it was before. To add a booth number, you'll select the booth, and then over here on the right, under booth information, you'll type a number, booth 944, update booth information. And you have to refresh to see any changes. Before you do that, if you've been moving booths around, it's smart to go ahead and hit the Save Changes button, because this saves when you've been moving booths around, and this will save any information on the booth. You can refresh to see the changes. Now you can see it has number 944. I'm going to zoom in again. 944 on the booth. I can also give it a booth type, which is what does the colors here. Put that one back. So if I wanted to give it the same type as these, I click on this one, see, okay, this booth type is standard. So I'm going to click on that booth and choose down here from the booth type, standard. And then if I want it to be purchasable, if you're using registration, I can just check this box right here. And then I can put in a price if I want to, but the standard booth type, I'll just leave it at the price that it was there. This is only to override the booth type price. So I'm going to click update booth information to give it the type. And then again, I'm going to refresh the changes. Now you can see that it's standard. So this is about it for the map editor. It's really useful to be able to add booths quickly, especially if you have a bunch of booths and then you sell out and you need to add more like immediately. It's a lot faster to come in here and just add a quick row of 10 by 10s or whatever you need. And of course, as always, feel free to contact us if you have any questions or any issues with your map. Thanks.